Crude oil has shown a stronger or has seen a stronger resistance at $60 levels, and precisely hitting 60 it has tried to reverse and now trading at 58.5 levels. Yes, how crucial it is to have a perfect technical analysis which gives you a perfect level so that you can trade profitably. And yes, this is the only channel to give you the same twice a day. First, with the Asia and Europe session, I provide you the trading levels for crude oil and natural gas, and one with the US session. And these two updates definitely gives you a fair bit of idea on how to trade profitably throughout the day. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. Oil on the hourly chart, see, after a good rise all the way towards 60, we have seen a sharp dip. There is a reversal. With this as reversal, we are seeing this rise. The moving averages have crossed over here. This is sign of bearishness, and once it trades beyond 58.50, 58.60 zone, then you can confirm that this is the reversal here, and then you can look forward to a rally. Else right now I can see it is struggling at 58.6, and then we know that 59.3, 59.6 and 60 are the three levels it has to break. Once it trades beyond 60, sky is the limit. If you see the stochastic, this is back to overbought levels. The MACD, which was trading bearish, is now trying to converge crossover for a buy. The RSI is rising. Coming to 2 hour charts, when you look at the 2 hour charts here, and thus it is very important for oil to break beyond the 2050 average and the median of the Bollinger Bands, and thus once it trades beyond 58.6, you can expect till 59 it has got very good resistance, and in fact beyond 59.6, 59 and then 59.6 you can expect $60 levels at the maximum resistance. Remember, beyond 60 it is not going to come back. We are looking at 61, 62 levels. Stochastic rising, the MACD is crossed over, traded bearish, now trying to converge. Wait for a crossover on the buy side. The RSI is rising here, coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, after this drop, it is trying to bounce back. You can also see the bearishness getting diminished here. This is a very good sign for the bulls, and this increases the possibility of a rise from here. And that is why I say if you see it is staying beyond 58.6, you can initiate a buy, expect 59, 59.5, and then $60 levels here. Beyond 60, sky is the limit on the upside. Now notice this, what's happening. Rise retracement, it is trying to create a next channel. The highs of this channel is now at 61, which is very much possible. If you see the stochastic, this is rising from the oversold zone. The MACD just crossing over here, which is not a good sign for the bulls. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, what has happened? Diminishing bearishness reversal sign, first bullish candle, and the second one is making, and thus once it stays beyond 58.6, you can expect a move towards 59, and then beyond 59, 59.5, 60 has to be there. Beyond 60, we are waiting for 61. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. The MACD is in green, it has tried to converge crossover. The RSI is rising, which is a very good sign for the bulls here. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, what has happened here? You can see preceding candle, a swing candle with slightly higher highs, lower lows, and now we have to wait for it to take a dive. And thus it is very important for oil to either break above 60, 61 or to drop below 55, 56. As long as this zone is not taken, you have to be careful. This is a swing zone here. The possibility of a rise is high, but yes, right now I can see a struggle here, and thus wait for it to trade beyond 60. That is the only confirmation of bullishness. But before that, in order to profit from the advanced moves, you can try to take a sell here at 58.60 levels. The stochastic is rising. The MACD is bearish here. It is trying to cross over on the buy side, not showing much significant observation for a buy here, and RSI is running flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my mentorship batch. 32nd batch started this week. 33rd batch is scheduled for the first week of May. June, do not miss to register for it. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram. And if you are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now let's see daily charts you have already seen, and considering this, where you should buy. The buying entries are pretty clear at 58.6 itself, where you can expect 59, 59.6 and then $60 levels. Any move beyond 60 is stay bullish for 61 and plus levels. On the downside, I will recommend now a selling entry only and only if you see it is staying below 5820, where you can expect 5780, 5760 as the first target zone. 5710 is the next, and then 56.5, 56 should be there. Below 56, we are ready for a greater correction here, which could in fact take it below the lows what we had seen. I do not expect this. See, we have seen a swing candle yesterday. It does not mean that it is going to crash where we can turn bearish. I think as long as now 57, 56 zone is not taken, do not turn bearish in crude oil for the day. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas on the hourly chart, see this is how it is traded. It has find the support at 3.7, 3.65 zone. With that as support, it is trying to bounce back, and once you see it is staying beyond now 3.78, 3.8, you can stay with the buys here. If you see natural gas trading beyond 3.8, possibly with the inventory data to be the storage data here might definitely add on to the volatility into the net prices here. And see, also look at this is a squeeze here, and once it breaks out possibly beyond 3.78, 3.8, we are ready for a round of rally towards 3.86, 3.92 and $4 level. This is a good sign for the bulls here. The stock ISIC has dropped, the MACD is trying to cross over for sell, the RSI is flat. So right now I can see after the good rise it is trying to consolidate before taking a direction. Look at the 2-hour charts here. See, a good support is seen. It is willing to break out, and once it stays beyond 3.78, 3.8, is stay bullish for 3.8586 and in fact 3.924 dollar levels. Notice what's happening after drop, retracement drop, and now reversing. It has breached the highs and now waiting for another round of breakout here. Moving average is divergent and bullish. Stochastic MACD also after a good drop has crossed over at the bottom, trading with moderate bullishness. This is again a very favorable sign here for the natural gas. The RSI is almost flat. On the 3-hour charts, now notice on the 3-hour charts, drop retracement, it has breached 20 period, moved towards 50 period, and now see how strong is the support at the 20 period moving average. And that is why I say if you see it is staying below 3.74, you can take a sell, but then 3.68 should be a very good support, and then it will try to move towards $3.6 level. 3.6 is a very strong support for the day, and then below that 3.5 and then 3.34. The three key levels on the downside, if at all, natural gas trades here on the downside. The stochastic rising here, it is a sign of bullish. MACD trying to converge crossover for the buys. The RSI is rising. Coming to 4-hour chart, and see on the 3-hour charts also, the moving averages here are also trading bullish, and see the support it has taken, and hence you have to be careful at 3.7, 3.68 zone, the first support zone below which you can expect more bearishness. And right now what I can see here is this could be one of the expanding triangles here. See this lower highs, and these are also lower highs, but you can see this should be an expanding triangle, and hence specifically on the upside you have to be very careful. If you see the stock IC, this is rising, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buy, the RSI is rising here. And if you see the 4-hour charts here also, the crossover in the moving averages on the buy side, and you can see rise, retracement, higher lows here, higher highs here, trading in this bullish channel. Once it trades beyond 3.8, you can expect another round of rise here. See, I have mentioned 3.76, which it has already breached, and now it has to stay beyond 3.8. 3.8, 3.8586, 3.9 to $4 levels. Greater resistances are seen on the upside. Stochastic here is also overbought. The MACD is after the crossover trading with moderate bearishness. It is not yet converged or crossover for the buys, and the RSI is also come out of the overbought zone. So considering this, now before I provide you the levels, do not miss to join the mentorship batch, which will definitely aid you in your trade trading decisions. Else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where we trade diverse instruments and commodities. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not switch to watch it. Thank you.